Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the generator where exhaust can't enter the home and where you can safely refuel. Place it at least 10 feet from doors and windows. Next, turn off the main breaker to isolate the house and prevent backfeed. This protects utility workers and your equipment. Once done, inspect oil, fuel, battery, and cords for damage, and have your transfer switch or interlock kit and personal protective equipment ready before you begin the electrical connections. You now make the electrical connection using the transfer switch. Life is safer and code compliant this way. With the generator still off, attach a properly rated cord to the generator inlet or hardwire through the transfer switch inlet following the labeled hot, neutral, and ground terminals. Make sure wire gauges match load requirements and tighten all lugs. Loose connections cause heat and failure. Once secure, confirm each branch circuit is labeled, and the transfer switch breakers align with the circuits you intend to power. You're at the finish line. Start the generator and let it warm up to stable RPM and voltage before switching the transfer to the generator position. Once transferred, use a meter to verify proper voltages and bring circuits online slowly to avoid overloads. If a breaker trips or you detect abnormal vibration, shut down, then inspect grounding, neutral bonding, and all connections for tightness and correct sequencing. A common fix is a loose lug. Retorque connections and retest before resuming operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.